Hang on. Tuffy, what did you do? Oh, what did you do? Don't come on up. What did you do?
Mess up? Did you do a no-no? Look at that mess. Who did that? Did Tuffy do that?
Was it me?
Tuffy, did you make that mess? Huh? What we gonna do? Hey, you better sit down. Did you do this? Did you do this? Huh? Did you do this? Oh no, Joseph did this, didn't he? Oh, maybe Bubbles did it. Huh? Yeah. Right. Oh, Tuffy made a mess. Tuffy made a mess. Yep.
Back to what we were saying. Minding my own business.